Did you know that your Bobcat machine can do more than just dig? With hundreds of attachments to choose from, we can outfit your machine to handle any job you can throw at it. That's right, in addition to a wide variety of buckets, Bobcat attachments can come in all shapes and sizes. And thanks to the design of the Quick Attach, swapping out attachments can be a breeze. Do you have stuff at your job site that needs to be moved? Leave the forklift at the shop and simply switch to a pair of pallet forks. Get those pallets moved quickly and safely. Aside from forks and buckets, some of our most popular attachments are breakers and post hole diggers. Like other manufacturers, our breakers come in a variety of sizes and a choice between hydraulic or nitrogen driven. In addition, our breakers are designed to fit comfortably on both skid loaders and excavators, thanks to a proprietary skid steer quick adapter plate that mounts to your exchange coupler. If land management is on your agenda, check out the Bobcat line of rotary mowers. Available in a variety of deck sizes and a high flow and standard flow option, able to handle material up to 3 inches thick, the Bobcat is one tough mower. As a player in the compact tractor world, Bobcat offers many 3-point as well as front loader mounted attachments. Whether you're maintaining a driveway or mowing a field, we've got what you need. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of attachments that Bobcat has to offer. If you're wondering if we have the right attachment for your needs, stop into one of our convenient locations to check out or rent an attachment today. I'm Abraham with Crownstone. Thanks for watching.